Ready to tap into the spirit of preservation and passion? Here are 10 inspiring quotes from amateur vintage typewriter collectors who keep the art of analog communication alive and thriving. 1. Each keystroke writes history. I collect so stories never fade into silence. 2. Typewriters remind us that patience crafts perfection in every word. 3. Restoring old machines teaches me that every tiny detail truly matters. 4. A typewriter's click is the heartbeat of creativity and focus. 5. Preserving typewriters is preserving human connection across time. 6. Vintage keys unlock new perspectives on persistence and dedication. 7. Every ribbon change is a lesson in renewal and fresh beginnings. 8. I collect typewriters because I value what endures beyond trends. 9. In every faded letter, I find inspiration to keep moving forward. 10. Typewriters show us that timeless beauty and craftsmanship are worth saving. These quotes reflect the deep dedication and love for vintage typewriters, not just as objects, but as vessels of memory, patience, and inspiration. Let their words remind you, preserving the past is a powerful way to motivate and enrich your present.